what we see here is a new fan, uh, industrial in brown. I'll tell them all name once I get to it. Uh, this is also another fan I got from fan collector Mitch Anderson. Uh, I have two of these actually. This is the one in better shape. It has the plastic gold stripe on the motor. It has a cast iron motor. Actually, I'll show that. So you can see it's hooked up to one of my display fans. Because, yeah, there's that CP36 that belong here. Because it hangs way too low and it's like close to hitting, it's like about to hit the silver line. Yes, I kind of rigged up a rig here for like fans all along the young rods. So yeah, this one has aluminum blades. I could actually stay on a step ladder. So there's one of the sticker here. Oh, so it's model N101 N-101 B56. There's a serial number. There's a new fan logo. New fan. So, like I said, it's the one in better shape. I could briefly show you the other one. This is the other one, missing gold stripe. There's the blades there. But, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the demonstration. This fan has control on a solid state speed control. Yeah, the camera does not like see the fan completely unless if I zoom out. I could zoom out a little bit, maybe. I think it's gonna stall out, I think. I don't know. It's my first time testing it. Also, that blade is really close to that beam in the back. It's really, really close, but it's not gonna hit. I think it's gonna stall out. I'm gonna speed it up, do a quarter of a turn. I can still see the knob in the video, I think, yeah. Yeah, I don't have not really the best lighting, but oh well. And there was not these track lights before. I added those when I bought these at a garage sale. Also, you notice that this fan is almost pretty much silent on the solid state. Barely makes any noise. I honestly expect from new fan or the golden fan on the same family to like make a lot of noise, because I have a 36-inch brown one that is noisy as hell on this variable speed. But this one is quieter. I don't know about the other one, which I've not tested yet. Well, same for the 36-inch ones I have. I mean, the 36-inch one I have is also like quiet on the solid state, which is pretty cool. An eighth of a turn this time. This is where the speed really is starting to change. there's these fans at a store chain in Wisconsin called Stain Gardens and Gifts. I know that Metal Pete and Dan, I think Mark Wilson, or they have been there, and they have a video of these. They have some new fan, exactly these, in the main part, and some Newton Pro lines, some Dayton's, and some replacement. There's a flower shop. I actually saw it yesterday. It has one of these in white. I did not make a video of it though because I did not go in there. I only saw it from outside. It was running on a very slow speed. Hopefully I'll have a video of this when I get to it. Another eighth of a turn. I will test the other one there too. And actually, I've not tested the second one at all. So I don't know how it's gonna be faster or slower. I know the bearings on the second one are worse. Eighth of a turn, it's high speed. So high speed is not like the fastest of high speed, but it's like cranks a lot of air though. I actually really like how they like really curved up the blades to just really spread the air movement. I actually love that. I'm gonna turn it off, but not gonna do spin down. So that's it for this fan, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.